Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start our next lesson, country and currencies. A currency is kind of money and the medium of exchange. Currency includes paper, cotton, or polymer banknotes and metal coins. States generally have a monopoly of the issuing of currency. Although some states share currencies with other states. Now let us start question answer session. Money is money anywhere in the world, yet it goes by different names. Match the country to its currency. Currency of USA is dollar, which is option C. The United States dollar or the American dollar is the official currency or money of the United States of America and is also used in number of other countries outside the US. It is also the standard currency for international markets selling goods such as gold and oil in finance. In finance, an exchange rate is the rate at which one currency will be exchanged for another. It is also regarded as the value of one country's currency in relation to another currency. Currency of Germany is euro, which is option A. The old currency, German mark, is absolute. It was replaced with the euro on January 1st, 1999. Germany uses the euro as its only currency along with 23 other countries that use this common European money. The euro is the second largest and second most traded currency in the foreign exchange market after the United States dollar. Currency of Myanmar is kyat, which is option E. The kyat is the currency of Myanmar. It is often abbreviated as K or Ks, which is placed before or after the numerical value depending on author preference. The current kyat used in Myanmar was introduced on July 1st, 1952 and remained in circulation until 1989. During that time, old banknotes were withdrawn due to inflation and the reduction of its value. Currency of Iraq is dinar, which is option G. Iraqi dinar is the currency of Iraq. It is issued by the Central Bank of Iraq and is subdivided into 1,000 fils. Although inflation has rendered the fils absolute since 1990. The dinar is principal currency unit in several countries near the Mediterranean Sea. Currency of Libya is also dinar, which is option J. The dinar is the currency of Libya. Its ISO 4217 code is LYD. The dinar is subdivided into 1,000 dirham. It was introduced in September 1971 and replaced the pound at par. It is issued by the Central Bank of Libya, which also supervises the banking system of regulates credit. Currency of Mauritius is rupee, which is option I. The Mauritian rupee is the currency of Mauritius. 1 rupee is subdivided into 100 cents. Several other currencies are also called rupee. Currency of Taiwan is yuan, which is option H. The new Taiwan dollar is the official currency used in Taiwan. The new Taiwan dollar has been the currency of Taiwan since 1949, when it replaced the old Taiwan dollar at the rate of 40,000 old dollars per one new dollar. Currency of Portugal is euro, which is option D. The euro is official currency of Portuguese Republic. Portugal is a European Union country that joined the European Union in 1986. In the year 1999, the country developed the currency euro. Since then, the euro has been the official currency of Portugal. Currency of Netherlands is Dutch guilder or flee, which is option B. The Dutch guilder or FL was the currency of the Netherlands from the 17th century until 2002. The symbol F or FL or for the Dutch guilder was derived from another old currency, the florin. In 2002, the guilder was replaced by the euro at an exchange rate of 2.23071 guilder is equal to 1 euro. Currency of Thailand is baht, which is option A. Baht is the official currency of Thailand. It is divided into 100 satang. According to Bloomberg, the Thai baht was the world's best performing currency in 2018. The SWIFT as of January 2019 ranked the Thai baht as the 10th most frequently used world payment currency. Fun fact: most of the world currencies are made of paper notes and metal coins. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.